Hey there, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, back with another math lesson. Today is a math review. We're going to go through 3 problems that are going to link up with what we just did in terms of solving fraction equations with a drawing and a symbol, using that greater than, less than, and equal sign to solve our problems. I have 3 examples here. One is using a picture that is already drawn. A second one is using a number line in which we're going to have to plot the points. And the third one is going to be using a tape piece in which we have to plot the points there as well. So we have to go through the problems, work everything out, and then from there we can determine what sign, greater than, less than, or equal sign, we are going to use. And I like to always say, when I teach kindergarten, that greater than sign likes to eat up the bigger numbers. Let's see what we have here. For our first example, we have our picture already drawn for us. They gave us a ton of information on this problem. They gave us 4/6 and 2/6 right here. And they want to know if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. We could take a look at the pictures right here. This is an easy one for us because we can look at the pictures and we can see that the 4/6 is obviously greater than the 2/6. So I want to take my symbol here, and I want to have that mouth open towards the 4/6 there, because he's going to eat up the bigger side, and that little point is going to point towards the lower side. So let's read this together. We have 4/6 is greater than 2/6. Okay? One more time. 4/6 is greater than 2/6. Simple. This is just taking, like I said, taking what they give you, breaking it down, and you are good to go. Okay? That was example number 1. Example number 2 looks like this. Now we have numbers that we're going to have to break down onto a number line. Very simple. We just got to understand where our cuts are going to be and what our tick marks are going to represent. So the first thing we want to represent is we're going to break this first one down into fourths. Okay? Into fourths. So here we have 0/4. Easy enough. The first tick mark is going to be 1/4. The second tick mark is going to be 2/4. Then we have 3/4. And to finish it up, our whole number is 4/4. Okay? We've been practicing this. This should start to become a little bit easier on how to put those things on the line. Okay? So we plotted the fourths. Let's plot the thirds now. So here we have 0/3, we have 1/3, we have 2/3, and then our whole is going to be 3/3. Okay? All we have left to do now is plot the points and see what the answer comes out to be, or what we're going to look at. So 2/4 we know is right here on our number line, and 2/3 is way, I shouldn't say way over there, but down there. So 2/4 would represent from 0 all the way to here, and 2/3 would represent from 0 all the way to here. And then just looking at our number line, you can see that 2/3 is greater than 2/4. But we're going to write it 2/4. We're going to put the point to it as less than 2/3. Okay, the point, we're going to point towards that smaller fraction, and the mouth is going to eat up the bigger fraction. So 2/4 is less than 2/3. Okay, that was example number 2. Use that number line, be able to plot on that number line. It will make your life very simple in terms of finding out information. All right, next question here. This time we're going to use our tape pieces to help us. We have 1/2, we have 3/6. Okay? So I broke the first one into halves. We break the second one into 6. 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces, and 6 pieces. Let's just count to make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces, and I have my half there. Okay, let me trade out markers here. Okay, so let's plot that half. Okay, so when I plot that half, I'm going to color this big portion in right here because that is a half. Okay? And then I have to portion out 3/6 here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to color in those first. Boy, Mr. Thayer is messy today, but that is all right. We're getting the job done, so we are good to go. All right. What do you notice here? 1/2 and 3/6. What do you notice using the tape measures here, or the tape pieces? That's right. We haven't done this one yet. They are, you guessed it, yes, they are equal. You are correct. So we would come in here, and we would put that equal sign in there. There it is right there. It's a little bit messy. That's okay. We are going to put our equal sign in there, and that would take care of that problem. All right? Head over to the exit ticket, answer more of those questions, and I will talk to you guys soon.